Alright, you're going to want a 3/8 inch ratchet to break the fill plug. You always break the fill plug first to make sure you can fill it back up with oil. Then you're going to want a 13mm socket to go all the way around. And you always just want to leave the top bolt up there so when it breaks open, you also don't have the cover just flying off. To put it back on, we're going to want the Ultra Black Permatex. We're also going to put the friction modifier in here, limited slip supplement, and then the 75 140 full synthetic gear oil. Let's go ahead and get her done. Now the last bolt I take out is the top one. Why? Because I want the fluid to drain out with also not having to worry about the diff falling off. Alright, now we got the cover clean, put the Permatex on there. Also got the inside seal cleaned up. And then if you put your finger in here, there's about 1 inch drop. So I actually got all the oil out of there. There's a lot of metal shavings. You can see there's a little bit of sparkle here in my rag just from the metal shavings down there. So just a little extra to get her nice and clean. And we'll go ahead and put the Permatex on, get the gasket set on there. We're gonna go ahead and clean all of our bolts and reuse them. Here's the fill plug with the magnet. You can see that definitely has some metal shavings on there, so we'll get that clean as well. And we'll get it all put back together and installed and filled up with some oil, so it should be good to go. You want to fill up with the limited slip supplement, that 4 ounces, first just to make sure you put it all in the rear diff, and then go ahead and fill it up the rest with it with just your regular oil.